in Tatmeen. The first event is the commissioning event. When the pharma products, the serialized product, which comes to this country, it has to be commissioned to the Tatmeen system. So Tatmeen is all about events, There are many events in Tatmeen. The first event is the commissioning event. When the pharma products, the serialized product, which comes to this country, it has to be commissioned to the Tatmeen system. That the importer of the goods has to inform Tatmeen that these all are the serialized or aggregated packages what is being landed in this country, that has to be reported to Tatmeen. So that's the process of commissioning event which comes in the Tatmeen database. When the goods move from one warehouse to the other warehouse in the supply chain, that also has to be reported to Tatmeen, irrespective of who is doing this job. Every moment of the shipment has to be reported to Tatmeen. So first event after commissioning is a receiving event, which is being received at the importer or the distributor's warehouse, and then it is getting shipped to the next node in supply chain. So receiving, shipping, and finally when it disposes to the end customer, when it is being consumed by the end customer or the consumer, there is a dispensing event. So dispensing event means it is getting decommissioned out of the Tatmeen system. There are various other events like damage, these kind of events are also there, so that it is going out from the Tatmeen database. Tatmeen is rather a huge database where system will keep track of various events happening in the supply chain. Like the way I said, commissioning, receiving, shipping, and finally dispensing. These are the basic 4 events. Tatmeen is, or the track and trace system is rolled out in this country, naming as Tatmeen, using the best available technology in the world. The Tatmeen database, what constructed by government, is super and a state-of-the-art solution, which is world's best, I will say, being a technical person who has studied this similar track and trace systems in the rest of the world. Basically, every moment of the merchandise is being tracked and it is being informed to Tatmeen. So there are API calls available for each of these events in a well-planned, well-thought method. System is capturing all these data points. So being closely working with the Tatmeen technical support and a programming company who is doing the configurations for Tatmeen, we are getting good support from the Tatmeen technical support. Any problem, they are there to help, and they are knowledgeable and sound, especially when a government is rolling out this kind of novice platform. Lot of confusions and ambiguities in the market where people are not aware what exactly is the processes to be mapped. So we have got a wonderful assistance in mapping all these requirements in Tatmeen. Being a software provider, which is rather a middleware, which will act between the ERP systems and the warehouse management system, most of these pharma importers or pharma distributors are using, we could come up with a middleware which will bridge between the ERP and the WMS. Same time, we will integrate with Tatmeen using our API. So our customers, they were having a wonderful flexibility of not changing any process in their day-to-day routine works. Everything will continue as it is. With a minimal change, we could capture the serialization and aggregation information, and we could upload it to Tatmeen system with minimal labor effort. Otherwise, it would have been a laborious process to capture all the serial numbers every now and then, whenever it moves, comes in and goes out of the warehouse. So our system is rather a wonderful middleware which can plug in with any system, any backend system of ERP. See, rolling out Tatmeen is all about hand-holding the workers, how the government compliances or the statutory compliances need to be matched. So these people who is working in the warehouse, they are also excited about the new thing coming in. Many people are worried that what is going to be. So it was a matter of training them and hand-holding them for their needs, which we have excelled with our existing clients, so that we could train all the people, all the users with the new technology, and we help them to adapt in this change. We are very happy to tell you that seamless switch over to the new platform, we successfully managed with many clients.